In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and customize subtitles in Clipchamp 5 minutes. By the end, you'll know how to generate captions with AI, clean them up, and style them so they look great on your video. Start by opening your browser and heading to clipchamp.com. If you're not already signed in, choose Sign In, then select Continue with Microsoft. Pick your Microsoft account, and you'll be taken to the Clipchamp homepage. From here, create a new video to open the editor. Inside the editor, click Import Media and bring in your video file. You can drag and drop it straight into the media area, then place it on the timeline. Click the video clip to make sure it's selected. This tells Clipchamp which asset you want to work with. Now open the audio section in the right-hand panel. Choose Detach Audio. This pulls the audio from your clip into its own track on the timeline while keeping everything perfectly in sync. It makes it clear which audio will be used for transcription. Next, click the audio track to select it so the captioning tools apply to the correct source. Find Captions in the sidebar and open it. Choose the option to generate captions with AI. Select the language that matches the spoken audio in your video. Picking the correct language and dialect improves accuracy, especially with regional accents and specialized terms. When you're ready, click Transcribe Media and let Clipchamp process the audio. This can take a moment depending on the length and clarity of your file. When the transcription finishes, your captions will appear as editable text segments and as a captions layer on the timeline. Review the text carefully. Fix any misheard words, punctuation, or brand terms directly in the captions panel. Small tweaks, like correcting names and adding commas, make a big difference in readability. Play sections back as you edit to confirm timing feels natural. Next, click a caption in the video preview to open the styling controls. Here, customize the look to match your content. Choose a font that's easy to read, adjust size for different platforms, and set colors that maintain strong contrast with your footage. Consider adding a subtle background or outline if your video has busy visuals, and position the captions so they don't cover important on-screen elements. Keep them within safe margins so they're visible on mobile devices and different aspect ratios. That's it, your subtitles are generated, cleaned up, and styled. With these adjustments, your video becomes more accessible, searchable, and viewer-friendly.